Hello, I'm Angelique and welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about the different layers I use to create art. Take note, I'm using Clip Studio Paint EX version. Now, there are two types of layers that you can use in Clip Studio. The raster and the vector. Now, the raster, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, is made up of tiny pixels, and I use it most of the time. It's good for freehand illustrations. Now there's the vector. It's supposed to be smooth and beautiful even when it's zoomed in. And you can save it as a SVG. But with Clip Studio, with my experience, you can still see the pixels still zoomed in. It's supposed to be nice and smooth. I still love Clip Studio, so I don't usually use the vector layer. Okay, now let me show you how to open a new raster layer. That's what we're going to focus on today. Alright, here in the right hand corner, there are these little buttons. This is what you're looking for. The new raster layer. It is like a square with a slanted corner and a plus sign. You can click on that to create a new layer. Or you can use Control Shift N. Control Shift N. And you got a new layer. Another great tip is to keep your layers organized. Right here, you can use New Layer Folder, and you can click it, and it says Folder 1. You can change that name to what you need it to be. So I'm going to put Test, because yeah, I'm just showing you how to do it. Then you can drag the single layers into the folder. Super handy. And you can close it. Just click the little arrow. See? Now, I try to keep everything organized, from my background to the main character and other elements. I try to keep each layer separated, because it's good if you make a mistake, like, for example, oops, I made a mistake. This keeps me from messing up the rest of the art. I can either use the eraser tool or the delete button. See? And it doesn't hurt it. Now, there are other elements, like in the little layer thing, but I will go over that in another video in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!